Action verbs: walk, run, sit down, stand up, bend, squat, read, brush, bath, comb, give, take, get, whisper, knock, turn on, turn off, listen, study, talk, dance, sing, slide, dive, skip, scratch, cough, sneeze, jump, climb, push, pull, wait, eat, wash, shake hands, slip, draw, exercise, crawl, shout, yawn, celebrate, ski, kneel, punch, think, laugh, clap, hug, fight, swim, catch, kick, hit, ride, throw, sleep, cook, paint, wave, cut, drive, pray,